This is Albert now, and we're gonna do front side grinds. Front side grind is a pretty basic maneuver trick that can set you up for those more advanced, harder tricks. That's why you basically see me do it on every wall I hit. Front side grinds are best approached by first doing front side kick turns. Let your shoulder lead where you want to go. I stand like this because I'm regular, and when I turn in, I let my shoulder lead. I turn and let my shoulder guide where I want to go. Your feet will follow. You just gotta do the footwork. You have to have your feet in the right position, and then you just do kick turn until you start hitting the coping. Then once you start hitting the coping, you really press on that back foot and you can just hold them. You can guide them, you can revert them, you can take them to fakie. You can even go into tail slide. There's the possibilities are endless.
I got a question for you. Yeah. What's the difference between like a stand-up frontside grind and a slash grind?
A slash grind, you're more inside the bowl. It's a lot shorter, but it's a lot more powerful. Usually you can tell by the stance, the power stance on an individual. Sometimes they make the piss face while they do it. It's all about staying inside. If you're gonna do a slash and you really just throw it into the coping. Stand-up 5-0 is like hitting a ledge or slappy that you just go for days. Kind of just get up on top and ride it until you ready to go back in, basically.
I learned stand-up frontside grinds first, just for a disclaimer, because I felt like stand-up frontside grinds were a lot easier and less scary to commit to, because you could stand up and then you could jump off if you wanted to. Frontside grind, slash grind, I feel like is more of a commitment. It's a little more scary. So I will say it. Do you learn frontside grinds or slash grinds first?
Slash grinds.
Slash grinds first.
Slash grinds first.
So if you're a boss like Al, you just know how to commit, learn slash grinds first.
Ride big boards, loose chucks. Oh, what's up guys? This is Albert now back again with Trickopedia. Tricks to do, tricks you need to learn, tricks just how to fucking do them. So here we are, episode 2. We're gonna learn how to do carve grinds. Carve grind is like a slappy on a curb. You just go fast and you just make sure your trucks get on the coping and ride off. You don't kick turn at all. There's no foot action on the tail. You just ride fast, carve, grind, and keep riding. Carve grinds. Not front side, not back side. Fakie ollies. Fakie ollie is a good trick on transition because all you really do is ride fakie, suck up your legs like you would an ollie, just like a vacuum cleaner. You suck those knees up, board stays with it, gravitational pull, gravitational force, and a little bit of newtons, and you can do fakie ollies, guys. You just ride at the coping, let your wheels bonk, or you slap your tail, suck up your legs, spot your landing, keep your feet light, just ride it back down. It's nicer than a frontside ollie or a backside ollie because there's no turning of the shoulders. Straight up and down motion. And then if you get good at it, you can go at angles and travel them. And that's like the gateway to learning cavallarials and 720s and fucking A, 1260s nowadays. Alright, so we're going to learn frontside Smith grinds today. Frontside Smith grinds a good trick after you learn the frontside grind like we learned earlier in episode 1. Front Smith grinds, you're just going to point the toe, kind of put all the weight on the back foot, but you still let the truck hang. You let the board kind of grind on the side and let the axle drop. You know, you let the front truck drop below the coping. The axle on the back truck is locked in and is grinding. You stay in that place until you're ready to go in. You guide with your shoulder like I was talking about earlier. So it's just about kind of keeping your body over your board, kind of stay in the back seat, but keeping a level body weight. And then when you're ready to go in, you kind of let your shoulder like fall in and your board will follow and your feet. So, you know, there's a couple steps to it, but once I show you, I think you'll get the idea. Let's go do some Smith grinds.